Watermelon. Fun facts about watermelons. A watery wonder. Watermelons are about 92% water, making them a refreshing and hydrating treat. Giant fruit. Watermelons can grow to be quite large. The largest watermelon ever grown weighed over 300 pounds. Ancient history. Watermelons have been cultivated for thousands of years. Evidence suggests that they were grown in Egypt as early as 5,000 years ago. Colorful seeds. While most watermelons have black seeds, some varieties have white, yellow, or even red seeds. Sweet or savory. Watermelons are often enjoyed for their sweet taste, but they can also be used in savory dishes. Nutrient-rich. Watermelons are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium. Refreshing thirst quencher. Watermelons are a popular choice for staying hydrated on hot summer days. Unique patterns. The patterns on watermelon rinds are often used in various art forms, including quilting and painting. Seedless varieties. There are many seedless watermelon varieties available, making it easier to enjoy the fruit without the hassle of removing seeds. Fun fact. The word watermelon is a combination of the words water and melon. Benefits of watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit that offers numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of incorporating it into your diet. Hydration. High water content. Watermelon is composed of around 92% water, making it an excellent source of hydration. Electrolyte replenishment. It contains electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance. Vitamins and minerals. A vitamin A supports vision, immune function, and skin health. A vitamin C boosts immunity and aids in iron absorption. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and heart function. A lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced heart disease risk. Antioxidants. Free radical protection. Watermelon contains antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. These antioxidants may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Digestive health. Fiber content. Watermelon provides a low amount of fiber combined with the water in the melon. This promotes digestive health and helps prevent constipation. Amino acid citrulline. This amino acid may improve blood flow to the digestive organs. Weight management. A low-calorie content. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit, making it a great option for those watching their weight. Hydration and fullness. Its high water content can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is a simple and delicious way to enjoy these health benefits. Would you like to know more about watermelon or other fruits? Watermelon incorporated meals. Watermelon is a versatile fruit that can be added to many dishes for a refreshing and nutritious twist. Here are some ideas for incorporating watermelon into your meals. Salads. Fruit salad. Combine watermelon with other fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and grapes for a colorful and refreshing salad. A green salad. Add watermelon chunks to a bed of greens for a sweet and savory contrast. A grilled watermelon salad. Grill watermelon slices and toss them with feta cheese, balsamic vinegar, and fresh herbs for a delicious summer salad. Main courses. A grilled watermelon skewers. Thread watermelon chunks onto skewers with grilled chicken or shrimp for a healthy and flavorful meal. Watermelon salsa. Make a refreshing watermelon salsa to serve with grilled fish or chicken. A watermelon and feta salad. Combine watermelon cubes with crumbled feta cheese, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar for a simple yet delicious salad. Desserts. Watermelon sorbet. Make a refreshing watermelon sorbet for a healthy and low-calorie dessert. A watermelon popsicles. Freeze watermelon juice into popsicles for a cool treat. Watermelon cake. Add watermelon to a cake batter or frosting for a unique and flavorful twist. Drinks. A watermelon juice. Blend watermelon with other fruits and vegetables for a refreshing and nutritious juice. A watermelon smoothie. Make a smoothie with watermelon, yogurt, and your favorite fruits or vegetables. A watermelon lemonade. Combine watermelon juice with lemonade for a refreshing summer drink. Potential risks associated with watermelons. While watermelons are generally safe and nutritious, there are a few potential risks to consider. Food poisoning. Like any other fruit, watermelons can become contaminated with harmful bacteria if not handled or stored properly. This can lead to food poisoning, causing symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may be allergic to watermelons. Symptoms of a watermelon allergy can include hives, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Excessive consumption. While watermelons are healthy, consuming excessive amounts can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea or stomach upset due to the high water and fiber content. Sugar content. Store-bought watermelon juice or watermelon-flavored drinks may contain added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems if consumed in excess. To minimize risks, choose ripe watermelons. Select watermelons that are heavy for their size and have a dull, yellow spot on the underside. Wash thoroughly. Wash the watermelon's exterior with cold water before cutting. Store properly. Refrigerate cut watermelons in an airtight container. Consume within a few days. Eat cut watermelons within a few days to prevent bacterial growth. By following these precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of this refreshing fruit.